and you can see the snow from yesterday. Here's some. Hello everyone, it's a Wednesday, 2nd February 2022 and the time right now is 4:30 p.m. and the temperature is minus 20 degrees Celsius, but it feels like minus 31 degrees Celsius in Calgary today. And today I am at Chinatown because it was yesterday is the Lunar New Year for Chinese community, so there is something ice show is going on, and let's see what else going on because it's extreme cold again from the last 2 days. And let's explore the Chinatown, what's going on here. And Happy New Year for the all Chinese communities and you guys all. And it's the extreme cold is back. Today it feels like minus 30 degree and it's really very difficult when you are enjoying the positive weather last 3 weeks. Yeah, temperature just suddenly dropped in Calgary from yesterday. Oh, so here is the Chinatown map. I think for the extreme cold everything is cancelled or they are doing indoor, so I can see one ice dragon here. Let's check out the ice dragon. Oh, it's cold. Look at this beautiful work. So here and there are so many restaurants arrange the family dinner in the Lunar New Year. Yeah, I think it's the cold ruin everything. It's so bad. And here is the another one. What is this one? Is the tiger? Or yeah, tiger. I think there is another light festival was here. I think yesterday or day before yesterday. I just missed the light festival. It's the riverside. And you can see the snow from yesterday. I saw a video about this chair. Not this one. There is another mall. So we can enter the mall here. Was Far East Shopping Center. Look at this beautiful chair. Today I don't know why I feel so lazy and it's feel like I'm staying at home. I don't know why. Because maybe it's for the temperature sudden dropped. Yeah, it's Calgary, so I think next week again we have some warm weather. And this is the Silver Dragon restaurant. And the back side of the restaurant. And there is another ice creation. What is this? Is hairs of tiger or lion? I'm not sure. Just in front of the here is a one scooter here, and I think they are celebrating inside of the Chinese cultural center because it's too cold to outside. Outside is right now it feels like minus 30 degrees, so it's not possible to celebrate anything outside. So in February I think some more festival is coming in Calgary, and one of the famous is the Globe Festival. They are starting, I think, February 4 to 27th. And I will cover the Globe Festival. So let's check out the Dragon City Mall. Is there any indoor activities going on here or no? Let's check out. If I'm lucky, I can catch something. And there is another ice sculpture here. Calgary, Chinatown. Nice. This is the tiger. I think other ones was the lion. And I don't think there's something going on. It seems like everything is closed. And let's explore other side of the city. Yeah, I think it's because of the cold. The intersection, I'm here at 4th Avenue and Center Street. But in this weather, when temperature sudden dropped, especially winter time, you have to be careful, unless you might get sick, because it's not good for health. Is the plus 15, so you can use during this cold weather. And if you are new in my channel and don't know what is plus 15, I will try to make another plus 15. Oh my god, it's wind. and my left hand side is the bow tower. I thought something special will be going on and there's Lunar New Year in Chinatown, but it's disappointing because it's cold and maybe it's for the Omicron they did not and now I'm feeling cold. Oof, it's the wind. It's killing me.
У меня столько книг маленьких.
Even though there is a plus 15 sign, so you can use the plus 15 from here too.
The next Somerset Bridlewood train is arriving. Please stand behind the yellow line.